Um, another Doctor Who video, another one dedicated to the Master. He's a great character, so you gotta pay tribute to him. Just him introducing the Toclafane, so I'm gonna try and act it. Yeah, so wish me luck. Britain, Britain, Britain. What extraordinary times we've had. Just a few years ago, this world was so small, and then they came, falling from the sky. You've seen it happen. Big Ben destroyed. The spaceship over London, all those ghosts and metal men, and the Christmas star that came to kill. Time and time, the government has told you nothing. But not me. Not Harold Saxon. Because my purpose here today is to tell you this. Citizens of Great Britain, I have been contacted. A message for humanity from beyond the stars. And this species has identified itself. They call themselves the Toclafane. And tomorrow morning they will appear, but not in secret, but all of you. Diplomatic relations with a brand new species will begin. Tomorrow we take our place in the universe. Every man, woman and child. Every teacher, chemist, lorry driver. Every farmer, I don't know, every medical student. Hopefully you enjoyed. Wasn't that good. I can tell I made a few mistakes myself, but yeah, may work on it again, may not. So it depends. Hopefully you enjoyed. And if any of you's got any requests for like films or anything, like I'm planning on doing the Joker one. Well, depends, really depends, because I need to find the makeup, so yeah. But yeah, thank you. Comments on videos be great. I wanna know if I'm doing all good or bad, or so yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed.